Because Dubai keep thinking before I was this and new Dubai now I am this. You will see the difference. Okay, how Dubai will develop. Because this country name is UAE, United Arab Emirates. This country capital is Abu Dhabi. This desert is very soft. If you remove your shoes and slipper, walk in the sand, feeling relaxation, massage. We are here by road straight going for the Oman, 60 kilometer after Oman. We do the safari here. After safari everything finished, come outside the road. Now move for the Dubai side, 30-minute drive in the campsite. The reason is there in Sharjah no camping, because I told you before Sharjah follow Islamic rule. In Sharjah no belly dance allowed, no alcohol allowed. So here is, that's why the reason no camp area here. So only because here is the safari, here is the sand, this is a good and big sand for dunes. So that's why I do safari. Here is the two options for the safari. One is Dubai side, one is Sharjah side. Dubai sand is small and hard desert. I will show you later, because we already go for Dubai for the camp use. I will show you some driver do the safari there, some here. But I like this desert. That's why the gas is more enjoyable, more good one. That's why come. So you see in the here, this is a clean and big sands. This is a dunes.
Lalagay na siya.
Hey guys, dito na tayo sa safari. Ayan, mga nag-ATV. Ayan, ATV. Ayan. Woo! Nice. Oh, ganda ng sun. Ah, lady?
Wow, ito na yung sun. Yung feel pala. Sobrang lambot.
This is a by-self drive.
So,
Yung parang sad na beach.
sabi, purong sun talaga siya. Desert, desert! So, okay, ayos. Ito dami, sobrang dami namin. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung kasama sa bayad namin yung ATV. Kung kasama, maganda sana. Ayan sila. Yung baggy.
We are here stop. You see the ladies will also ride the biking. This is the bicycle. We are in the here we are stop for the bicycle. Ladies and gents, also in right mode for the 4x4. Here are the two options. One is single seater, same like this. One is double seater, one bike, two people share it. Okay, one time one going, one time one going. Bike is chargeable 50 dirham. Okay, this is the 30 to 40 minute ride. One guy is there, you follow them. One is the option, one is the buggy. This is the same like car, automatic drive. So yeah, this is the two people sharing 800 dirham. This is the also 30 to 40 minute ride. This is by self your drive. Go inside the desert, take photos, videos, then you will come. If you are interested, take it from the counter. This is your time. One option is there inside the desert. This is the all ground inside it. This one is charging 250 dirham for two people. If you want with a good adventure, outside is good. This is dependent.
Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Desert Safari. So ito yung aming buggy. So nag-rent kami. Si Lady. Busy si Lady mag-photoshoot. Ayan. Lady, busy. Photoshoot. Ayan. Guys, ayun, mga 4x4 na nagdudun. So dito kami, ayos. Gabi. Whew. Ayan. See, ayan o. At aming guide. Lady, gusto mo mag-drive? Sige. So pagdadriving kasi Lady. Hello Lady, kamusta ang dun bagi natin?
Ano pa lang to, ATV bag. Halika, picture.
I can't help but to say it. You already know what I'm thinking.
Lady, dito ka.
Sa Safari Desert, there. Yan. P. Perry. So this is our ride.
I don't need to say it cause you already switched on.
Galita yung isa yun. Wala sila sa ano eh, yung group. Humiwalay.
We're prepared. We're prepared.
Ayan guys, dun bagi time, dun bashing. Ayan guys, saan dun bagi na tayo. Ayan, kaya gawin natin. Let's go! Yeah.
Kept on bumping.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Yeah, super bus.
It's not rain here. This is little bit more soft.
No.
Because this is some wet, some is soft. This is a little bit dangerous.
So it's been in
Because you don't have idea. Oh, this is a soft, this is the wet. But we have a separate license for this desert. Every road driver can't drive in that desert. For example, taxi driver in Dubai, anything no drive. Because this is a technical thing like this, you will fall down like this. We are going on top. Because the reason for the rain. This is some like bumping. Because if this is a little bit soft, this is very good. Here is everywhere you see your eyes.
Yes.
We are on top of the desert.
Wow. You do.
You see them?
Wow.
Sabay ka sa akin eh.
Oh, what?
What are those mountains?
This is a mountain.
It's a mountain.
Yeah. This is not desert.
Mababa kita no?
Hindi ko sure.
Oo, kasi hindi ka makakababa itong mga ito. Nasa likod.
Hindi nalili.
Because this desert same like water. If you know the swim, you will come out. If you know the desert location, you will come. If you don't know the location, stuck the car. Our group here will go to, I don't have idea. Everybody happy?
Yes! Do you have any music?
enjoy more fun this one. But I know.
Bababa pa ka. Nice.
Sabi,
Diba?
sabi ba niya?
Oh, naghanap siya ng spot daw ngayon maganda sa picture. Hawakan mo yung sandal. Hawakan mo ba eh?
Yung pinagpag ko sa mukha ko.
Mukha ko?
Sa mukha ko.
Ganda yun. Grabe mo siya. Yung kumakalas talaga sa kamay. Wala eh. Wala tira sa kamay. Galing. Wow. It's like the movie Dune. Where's that creature?
Where's the worm?
Because the desert look like for the yesterday too much rain in this area.
But if there's too much rain,
It's not good. That's why this is a look like road. But otherwise this is a very soft desert. Calm down, go like this.
Buti na pwede ko nandyan.
Like this.
Hindi nakakaya.
sarap. Gusto ko mag-drive, lady.
Ay sabi niya diba hindi niya daw may license. Kasi may soft.
Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Siya.
Here he comes.
Aja una ഭയങ്കര വർക്കുണ്ട് പൊയ്യാ പറമ്പടിച്ചിടും
Kami susuka na daw sa lady. Sila na daw susuka na.
Here is the good picture view. Upstairs is the view. Here is the mountain.
அது மாதிரி யாரு
Sorry?
Sana tumigil pa.
Everybody happy?
Yes.
I will stop here.
Very,
We will
very
go
happy.
take full desert pictures.
Okay. Hi! We're in top of the desert. So ito na yung pinili ng aming driver. One of the highest peak. So there, you can see.
Makita ko.
And careful kami kasi baka malaglag. So happy, very happy. Look, yun yung aming Land Cruiser.
Actually, Nissan Patrol.
Sorry, Nissan Patrol.
Show me. Ano man? Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Dahil sa sun, nagkaan tayo. At yung sun dun. Okay tayo. Sobrang ganda dito. Ayos. Hello. Ang dami nagdito ng Baguio. Nasa top kami ng sun. Guys, dito tayo ngayon on top of the sand dune. Yan. Kasama natin lady, enjoying the sun. Hindi siya mahangin siya, so hindi siya mainit eh. So okay siya. Hindi naman mainit. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Dito kami sa sand dune. Sand dune bashing kami. Op. Yan o, ganda o. Woo! Woo! Yan o. Nice. So, ayan, enjoy. Andiyan yung sun pero hindi ganun kainit kasi malamig, mahangin. Hindi siya, hindi siya sunburn. Or magkaka-sunburn man ako, hindi ko ramdam. So, okay dito. Ayan si Lady o. Lady! So, yan. Sun. Yan. Woo. Yes. So babalik na kami ngayon. Lady, let's go. Hill ang pangapak mong hill.
Ha?
Hill.
Anong hill? Hill.
Hill. Welcome to God. Ito ang aming service, Nissan Patrol. Ayan. Sino naman wala?
You want to come sit front? No problem.
Okay.
Now you okay? You want to front?
What?
He make some videos.
You want to make video from the front? No, it's okay.
Here you go! So
Okay,
you
okay.
have nice videos.
Hindi, okay lang.
That should be fine.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
If you want to front, sit there. No problem.
your videos.
You'll see
Videos,
it in
some
YouTube.
desert video make. No
Guys.
problem. Now adventure will start again.
Yeah.
Ang gilas ah.
Oo nga eh, naka-video eh. Yeah.
Look at extreme.
Hey everyone!
car is there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what happened?
This is Ban. Our heat.
Oh, the camel.
Yes, we are going there.
There you go. Camel in the wild.
No, this is no one.
Nice.
You see in the camel in
Ah,
the,
they have. Okay.
Because they not run.
Oh, okay.
Because their leg is closed.
Yes.
They are only walking.
No running.
Because camel is the going only one group. One is the front is the leader.
They
then
will follow
back is the people.
Okay.
And then last one is the more leader. Because anybody is she will save anyone. This is the last
this one.
Yeah. You see last security guard is coming. They will check any camel around anywhere. They will go. They bring them.
Okay.
Why?
Because this is a camel same like army. Because one is going front, other is follow them. There he go, here go, everybody. Not like this, two here, no. They are going one group. Because they understand language for each other. In the world, any animal, they have a groups. They are talking for their own language. They understand. I will give the picture for my client in the middle of the desert because here everywhere is a crowd is there. No picture is coming good because in the middle of the desert you are alone.
Yeah.
Oh, there is husky. Did you see at the baggy, our guide almost smashed another tourist? No? Yeah, because the tourist went out of his way on his own. So
yes,
nothing safe.
yes, I can
So
see.
oh, yeah,
Yeah, I
so
saw that.
Your buggy guide is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a tourist who went in his own way, not the same track.
He almost
He almost
hit him.
hit our guide. He got mad.
Because in the buggy the guide is going the reason safety for your
Yeah.
because you don't know the location how to come with go out come out.
And he also signs if we need to go
Yeah.
at the right side or left side because there's somebody
Because he
coming.
will check them.
Yeah.
Because we are inside the desert, we don't know the location. You see the one pole is there,
Yes.
big one. I know there is the road. If new guide will teach, this is the pole, there is the road. If nobody don't know, inside the desert, anywhere you go,
get lost.
you lost. In the sometime the new driver coming, beginner. This is the pole side. This is the road side. If you any go direction, you check them. You make the road like there. Anybody knows there is the road anywhere. Because I also teach the guest how will search the road location.
Okay.
Because somebody guest is confused. You drive them, how you will come inside and outside the going. I told them in the middle, down. I don't know other car coming, no coming.
Yes.
If I go big up, then we'll decide where I will go. For example, I go like this here. Now I will decide here is no car coming. There is, I will have a doubt. I can't see. So I will go safe side.
Okay.
Their side. Now I will go, there is no car coming.
Yeah.
Now I will move my plan from their side. You understand? Like
Yes,
this.
yes.
Now I am big. Now I decide there is car coming. Maybe there is no go way. Here we'll decide. We'll check that. Little bit far away because this is coming track. You see, like this.
Yes.
Now this is the. If I will go big, then we'll decide where I want to move. This is the planning for the car driving. Because I have a license, we will teach them. Now you go down, brake a little bit. Because no bumping like this.
Okay.
Now if I can't decide that here I will go, here is car coming safe side. Because small dunes you will go.
Okay.
Because you know you don't check them where car coming. You hear small, then you sometime you talking with the guest, you don't have idea. You don't take risks. Other dunes you will go. Now you see, I will there. Now there is big dunes. The black car is coming. I have a doubt. They are coming like this. You see?
Yes.
That's why I will search them. Okay, maybe this is the coming from this way. You know? Because this is the deciding. Now you will go this side. Because you don't have a plan. This is coming this side because you don't have idea.
Yeah.
But you will check them. Okay, they are coming this side. Everybody happy? Enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now we'll go outside the desert. Then we'll put the air pressure in the tire. Then move for the camp. There is your
Okay.
dinner.
This is one for the books. Not everyone can experience it.
Amazing experience.
In the car, before I told you, in the safari, this is an amazing experience. In the any world and not too much country will do the safari. In Dubai, only 2 safari and buggy rides. Everybody is good, happy. Because in the buggy and the car, here is the 2 difference. Buggy will drive by self. This is your own experience. You have experience how to drive in the desert.
Okay.
In the car, only you will sitting and watch what is the feeling like in that desert adventure. Both are separate, but both are people enjoy both good. Because your sister is little bit scared. I see the face.
Me?
Yeah.
No?
Both like belt like this.
I'm not scared.
Me, I'm scared.
Scared why?
When she's driving. When she's driving.
I'm a Manila driver. Whenever he rode with me.
In the road, there in the desert is the one is good thing. Here is no need road license, nothing. You have a buggy rental. You drive in the desert anywhere. Here is the no road direction.
directions, exactly.
Because in
No
the,
signs.
Yes, in this the customer with me need the license because this is your life secureness.
Yes.
In the rental car, because this is a buggy, this is not too much roll hour. This is a 4x4 safety drive. And then you will drive because there's a whole desert, one guide is there. Here is I am guide, I will make all things. This is the Dubai desert. Somebody will come on the bus. The bus, they stop here. Here, company bring the other car, camp car. They will do the safari. But this desert is very hard. Dusty desert, you see? Here will safari, no dust. Here, dusty desert.
It's finer there.
Yes, this is a white color.
like road in the Philippines.
Yes. Because the guests don't have an idea. Guests think this is a safari.
Yeah.
You see here is a huge track like this.
Yeah.
Go here straight and anywhere. Because they put the air pressure, they are doing safari here.
Oh, okay.
You see? Because this is the track, you see? Like here is no slide like this. Because
Yes.
here is just some grasses, they are danger for the car. You see, this is the doing safari. That car.
Yeah.
Up that one like this.
It's like just a bumper.
Yeah. But this is a small dude, guys don't know. That's why I will teach the guys Dubai is in Sharjah.
Yeah.
I will drop. You 4 sit in the car.
Okay.
This is not your camp. You see the difference with the boat desert?
Yes. It's like construction, no? Construction site. Hello to our friends from Malawi.